this video, we'll look at how to open a Lumio file on the smartboard using the Whiteboard app, and then finding the student data. First, make sure you log into the Whiteboard with your account. After you've logged into the Whiteboard, then we're going to open up the files library and click on Lumio on the left-hand side. Once you've done that, you tap on the file you want to open, and it opens. You can tell you're in the Whiteboard app because you have the Whiteboard tools at the bottom. You can have your kids join by clicking on the Class Management tab and having them log into the class. Once they're in, you can tell they log in, and then you can start the class, and now they're part of the class. Now from there, I can pick up a pen, I can start to write right on the board. They see whatever it is. Oh, this is not about Chrome browser and Lumio app. This is about the Whiteboard. They'll follow along right with you as you go. And we can talk through the slides, we can see everything, but let's fast forward to really the game because we want to look at where we get some student data at the end so we can figure out where the data is. Great, now that we're at our game, all the kids can play on their own devices. Let me come up here and show you what it looks like on the board. You can sort these into different categories. The kids are playing them at their seat so I can figure out what they learned. And now I want to figure out and I want to see that data later. So let's look on my laptop and actually see how the kids did. So now I'm on my laptop. I'm in my library inside of Lumio. I find the file that I was just working on the board. Notice there's no class session here. It has nothing to do with class sessions if you open up the board. So I find that file. I click on the three dots on the right of that file and I go down to Legacy Review. Anytime you open up a Whiteboard, it will be in Legacy Review the data. And now I can see where that one student was. I can see all that data from that student or all my students if I have several. So the moral of the story here is if you use the Whiteboard, come back into my library, go to Legacy Review, and that's where all the data will be.